Hey, how y'all doing today? My name's Arjun. Today we're going to be talking about the overhead cam. So as you see right now here, this is the overhead cam. It has a capacity of 7 tons, where it's basically what it does. Crane. What it does, it goes through the whole shop on a rail. It's like you could say it's like a train rail that goes all the way down to the shop, all the way to the dead end of the shop. So if you need to do any operation of like lifting a big diesel engine that actually weighs like tons. So as you can see, you have another crane, you have another like engine jack here that actually can lift the, some components and stuff like that. But this here is Omani. 7 tons. You could do a lot of work with that thing there, But you also got to make sure to also inspect on these overhead cams. You have to also make sure you inspect the rails. Make sure the rails are greased properly. It doesn't take a regular grease like regular grease. It takes a spray grease, because you don't want that grease to actually catch any dirt or any components or any debris or whatever it is. So you also got to make sure you check those lines when you're going up and down. Right back to it. Gotta make sure this is working properly before you can operate any of this. And this is not a game here. This is not actually something you can play with. As you see, these switches actually have an up and down position, a left and right, and actually you can move the crane left and right as well. So like you can see, a parallel, straight down, railroad track. It also has an emergency switch. You push it down, you ain't getting nothing. Push it up. Push it up. You get some type of movement. So as you see, you have the option here. We're going to start with the bottom position. The bottom position, what it does is it moves the whole crane. Left and right. And then it moves it right back. Also, I have the option too to move left and right. That's why this move. So that's the advantage you have with this type of crane here, because sometimes you got to move around certain objects around the shop. So you also have the option too here. Say for example, you see this crane, you see this
winch.
Bring it down. It brings it up and down position where it's not a game. You got to make sure you have the proper amount of weight on there, and it's something you don't play with. As you can see, it's kind of leaning to the right and leaning to the left when I'm looking at it. But as you look at it, you can actually move it. Also, the crane back and forward. Yeah. And they also have a track on the opposite end that you also got to make sure you grease as well. If you don't, man, you're going to have bad trouble. As you can see, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring the crane back up. The hitch. You can call it the hitch, right? That's what people call it, the hitch. You also got to make sure you inspect the motors on that hitch there too. Because if you don't, man, that motor can go out. It's a real big motor. So you got to make sure you do a monthly inspection on these things. If you don't, they'll give you trouble. So that's the little simple things that you could actually know about the overhead crane. So there you have it. So it's a real simple machine, but at the same time, it's also going to be a dangerous machine. So if you don't, eventually do safety first and follow the procedures and manuals of how to properly use this machine, you could either kill yourself or badly injure yourself. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. My name is Arjun.